surely no chance for a comeback for the losing team. James with the ball. Moving it nicely. At the striker's feet. Oh, it's a clear chance. A goal for Lewandowski. It's a dream debut for this player. A goal in his first game. Dispossessed there. He's got the ball at his feet. Well read. Well timed then. Great defending. A careless pass there. Mavididi in possession. Control now. The game is surely all wrapped up. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Won the ball. Lewandowski scores. 2 goals on his debut. He's looking so comfortable at his new club. The referee has his work cut out. We're seeing a lot of tackles going. And he's won it back for his team. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Gets the Player of the Match award, fully deserved. He was unstoppable today.